Come on. All right. Welcome back to the channel, everyone out there on YouTube. This is Future Trading with Mike. Thank you for tuning in today, regardless of where you're at across the world. All right. I'm looking here at the ES Futures today. This is a live trading session. And yeah, we're going to see if I can capture a few entries today and make some profit. Okay. Now, we did have CPI news this morning, and the market did kind of sell off. This is a lower time frame chart here, my 12 range. Yes, I trade range based or range style charts over, tick volume or minute based charts, whatever the case is. But whatever works for you, like I always say, stick with it and trade it. Okay, trade those charts. All right. I trade supply and demand. That's the style of trading or that I trade around, and it's basically me marking off zones. And I trade from a naked chart pretty much. I mean, I do have a few tools on here, but this is the cumulative delta down here. I really don't pay attention to it too much. But volume profile, I like to see it because I always talk about buying the lows and selling the highs in my videos because that is extremely important. Knowing where to get in on your trades at, okay? According to, what price, when price traces back to a zonal level, I like to buy at the lower portion of a high volume area and sell at the higher portion of a high volume area, okay? So without further ado, I appreciate everyone who is watching this video, regardless of what time it is of the day. Right now it's 9:50 Eastern time, my time. And I normally wait about 20 minutes after the market opens. But, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Take a look at just, the market overall the last few days. I mentioned there was a zone here yesterday, supply, and we see that the market kind of reacted to it in the overnight session. So we did get a little push to the downside before pushing higher. So, there was supply in the zone here. Right now, and looking at the market, we did have, yesterday, bullish upside attempt here, making higher highs and higher lows. It did break structure or take out this area here, the swing. And overnight session leading up to CPI this morning, the market just kind of, push higher. And then when the news event was released, what did it do? It pretty much broke structure to the downside, broke this area here. But this does not mean at this point that the market, you look at the higher time frame, is ready to start selling off, okay? I mean, yes, we had the last few or the beginning part of February. As you can see here, the market has been making lower lows and lower highs to the downside. So we have a channel here. But this could be an attempt on, a deep retracement pretty much, or a decent pullback, I should say, for the market just to push higher here. It's going to have to show me that it wants to make pretty much a lower high here and then break and make a lower low for me to really, take interest or have interest that it's going to want to continue pushing to the downside. Now, if it comes back up here and it breaks this area here at 63, it's probably going to push higher, okay? So we're going to take a look to see what's going on in the market. Right now, and looking at things, I still kind of have a bullish bias in a sense. Just because we've broken structure to the upside here, taking out this area here, as well as we broke this area of structure right here as well to the upside, and just a decent retracement right now. So kind of have a more so of a bullish bias right now. Looking at the lower time frame, you would definitely say that we're probably let's take a look here. Probably bullish as well in a sense. I mean, because we broke this area here, which I just showed you on the 60 range chart, okay, made a low, lower high, and then we started making these lower lows and lower highs to the downside, but turned back around and started making higher highs and higher lows back up to the upside. So I would more so right now have still a bullish mind frame, just looking at both the higher and the lower time frame. So we'll see what happens here, and we'll see what type of trades I can get into this morning. But if you have not subscribed to the channel, please take the time to go ahead and sub to the channel right now by clicking on the red subscribe button down below or anywhere where you see it on the video, okay? Wherever it's located. I think it's normally to the right-hand side right there near the title of the video. As well as make sure, I said it kind of country there, but make sure you got your post notifications turned on so that you have, or so that you never miss one of the uploads here to the video, to the channel is what I'm trying to say. Never miss one of the uploads here on the channel. Again, I trade the future markets, primarily the ES future, okay? So, as well, click on the bell next to it and share the video, share the content as well. I mean, we're trying to get the channel to continue to grow. And we also have a great Discord community as well, which I'll talk about towards the end of the video, but you'll find the link to that down in the description portion of this video, and it's a Discord. Okay, click on it. It's free of charge to join, and we have roughly over 900 members now, so we are growing. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see. Now, this is a supply zone sitting up here on the 60 range chart right here. You see that area there. Okay, this right here, let me take a look here. This is probably a short. This was a similar high or second test retracement test right here, basically making a double top right here, a high here, pull back, a high here. This on a higher time frame, then it makes a lower low, a low, lower high, and pushes lower. So this was pretty much at the break of this. You could have continue going short, but you know, I don't take breakout trades or anything like that. So let's see what happens. So primarily at the close of this candle right here, this red candle right here, maybe below 50, 51 or 50, you could have went short. All right, let's see what happens now. What the market's going to attempt to do right here. Yeah, so we'll wait. The market's actually just retracing back to some areas of supply above this high volume area right here. So I'm just going to attempt to wait to see what's going to happen next here. Now that's the area of supply right here where the where it's at right now off the 60 range chart. So the supply here as well as at the top here, but we're kind of in this low volume area, approaching this high volume area here on the higher time frame. I would probably be more so interested in this area up here if I'm interested in taking any type of supply trade, but I'm just waiting to see what the market's going to do. I'm just not going to jump in. I always wait, and you know, I want to be able to be have clear focus and be able to see rejection is what I'm trying to say. All right, I'm not sure if the market's what it's trying to do right here. If it's going to reject this area, it's not enough to really allow me to take a quick stab short. So we'll see what happens here. So I'm gonna wait it out right here. All right, now price is breaking structure to the upside. We just took out this top right here, this high to the upside. So if we can get it pulled back to this area right here, I may take a look to go long, just depending on where price pulls back to, because it could pull back here, but it just took out this area structure right here at 64, this high right here. Quick scalp short. Yeah. Going to take a very quick scalp just back down to this area right here. There's a high volume area here as well. So I'm just going to scalp for a few ticks here and see what happens here. Price can actually pull back here and push higher. I mean, it can reject right now and just push higher. So I need to be careful here when I'm doing, to be honest with you. See it, what it's doing right now. So yeah, not good. Come on. Enter another contract. I'm just gonna scalp this area real quick. Real quick. I know it's not much here, but still, I'm just trying to get a few ticks in this morning to get things started. But like I said, price can reject this area here. We'll see. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure what it's going to do here. Not good. I don't have too much room to trade from, to be honest with you, because we have support right below us. So, don't know. We'll see, though. Yeah, it's a very quick scalp here. Very quick scalp. We should get filled here. Come on. Just looking to take a few ticks here. That's it. Just to get my morning started and get something on the table. I'm pretty sure it's gonna fill this order, but you never know. We'll see what happens. Oh, 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 oh. Was not expecting that. Quick burst to the upside here. Quick burst to the upside. What are they trying to do here? Yeah, it's just building volume in this area here. Come on. Third time coming down. Small little area. Just looking to fill right quick. This little gap pretty much. Actually, I think I'm going to drop a contract back down here because it may come down here. Yeah. Got a little gap to fill there, so we'll see what the market does here. Come on. Look at it. Doesn't know what it wants to do here. Does not know what it wants to do. Okay. Yeah, it needs a break below this area here at 64 3/4 if it wants to, come on down to this area right here. All right, it's coming down now. Should get filled here now. Okay, there we go. Keep on coming. All right, I'm taking out here. There we go. Okay, we got filled there. All right, and the market's probably could bounce right here. So, little iffy trade there, but I saw what was happening. The rejection right here. Price not wanting to push up higher. First attempt to push higher, second attempt to push higher, and then it collapsed. Okay, I mentioned again we are at an area of supply on the higher time frame, and that's partially the reason why with Confluence why I went short on that entry there as well. I noticed the rejection on the 12 range, so I went short. So interested in seeing what's going to take place here. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure the market's trying to accomplish a do here, but it does kind of look like it may try to be pushing higher here at the break in this area right here. So I'm going to stay focused. Right now we're tapping into that supply zone, but it could continue breaking to the upside. I'm not sure yet, so it's going to kind of fall on price action to see what it's going to do here. But this could be a long that's setting up right here. So we'll see where this little zipper's at right here. I'm going to wait to see what the market's going to do in this area here. See if we can get something off. It's below, right at a high volume area, right below it, at the outer edge, like I like to look for when I take my trades. Going long, but if I go long, we'll be going long back into the area of supply. But in looking at the structure of the market on the higher time frame, it could possibly may want to try to push higher. So we'll see. If we get a break here to the upside, I'm going, well, yeah, I may go long. Let's see. The price breaks this candle here to the upside. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know yet. We'll see. Is it still trying to push lower? What is this thing doing? Oh my gracious, this video is getting in my way. The webcam's getting in my way. Okay, so I'm just gonna stay tight here, stand down, and just kind of see what the market's going to do right here. Nah, not yet at all. It may want to keep pushing to the downside. Let's see. Let's see. All right, let's see. Now I'll say if price breaks above here at 56.5, pulls back, I'll be looking to possibly go long, looking to fill this gap right here. All right, let's see what happens here. We are at, I think, probably at the VPOC right now. So, yeah, today's POC. So I'm not being. This is a very cautious area I have to trade from, but there is a gap here. Here's an area here where price shot up pretty quick. Some buying took place here, and we moved higher. So let's see. The market's going to break below this area here. I mean, it's moving to the downside now. So we'll wait and see what happens here. Definitely wait to see what happens. All right. What is the market? Up, breaking lower. Man. Oh yeah, it's pushing lower. Pushing lower, pushing lower. All right. Look at this. Does not want to stop, does it? So my short was excellent trade. It's just I wish I could have stayed in it, but you know, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. All right. There's a lot to feel right here. Just gonna wait it out. Be patient. That's the key to trading, is really being patient and waiting for just waiting for your setups. If we break above here, we'll see what happens. Market looks like it just wants to keep pushing lower for some reason. Look at it. Yeah, it looks like it wants to keep pushing lower. Look at the higher time frame again. I mean, we've got, like I said, we had this just channel to the downside yesterday, and this could just be a deep retracement to push lower and test these areas down here. So that's primarily what the market could be doing. We had supply here yesterday. Price broke above it. It tapped back into this swing high right here, rejected, and this could be just a retracement to go lower. So, but we're at demand right now at the bottom. So let me see what it's trying to do here. It's gonna have to break above this area right here at 36, 37 area. Breaks above 37 and pull back, I'll be looking for a long entry. We are at demand on the, I believe anyway, on the yeah. Well, price could, reject this. We're bouncing this area right here. So we'll see. Oh yeah, the market's very volatile right now, so pretty volatile, pretty volatile. It has pretty quick move to the downside here, which I didn't participate in much of any of it. Didn't really get any pullbacks to really do much, but it's okay. We'll just wait. Market is just smacking to the downside. It's yeah, it's definitely it definitely appears like it's trying to follow suit with moving lower. After following the channel to the downside, probably just a decent retracement to push lower. So we'll see. But so far this morning, we had this channel to the upside. Now it's pushing lower, and we just broke the low for today, I believe. Yeah, broke today's low. So where we at? It's often okay. I'm late on this trade. Okay. 23. Yep. Late on this trade, but hopefully we get filled here. Come on, baby. I didn't hit my first contract. Look at it. Come on up. Come on up. First contract smacked. Come on. And taken out. No, don't pull back to me that much. Come on, baby. Feel it. Let's take out. All right. Ah! Close that trade there. All right. Okay, so nice little trade. Look like we got to bounce off of an area of this area. Let's see, where was it at? That right here. Okay, right here. All right, price tapped into this little demand zone here at the bottom here. Took the entry to go, took the shot to go long there. Let's see here. Where was it at? Right here. Broke higher. Yeah, right here. This zone right here. If I was to mark it off, where this purple line is at, I'll put that purple line right there. Right there. See it? Boom. Look at it. And it hits my TP. And I left it right here. So good trade. All right. Okay. I'm waiting to see. Okay. The market is. Yeah, I'm short. Definitely short. Okay. Short, short, short. Let's see. I'll put the first contract right here. Definitely short on this entry. Waiting to see what the market's going to do here. Come on, baby. All right. Let's see. Short on this entry here. Come on. All right, first contract filled there. And I'm going to take out right here because we got this little high volume node right here. So hopefully we get filled right there. Come on back down. Ah, it's pulling back on me. Got this little high volume node right here. So I'm going to try to take out right here. Come on. There we go. Got filled there. All right, that was a beautiful short. Back down here to the low right here pretty much. So a couple entries. I went long there, flipped it when we got back up here to supply, and went short. Nice trades, two nice trades back to back. All right, so let's see what happens here. Price breaks to the upside right here, taking out 28.5 on a pullback. It may go long. We'll see what happens though. Or I might just go ahead and close the trade, close the video out here today because I've taken, I think, 3 or 4 trades already today, and I'm up by $1,000, so I'm pretty good right now. I think overall, let's see how many ticks I'm up for today. I always like to go by ticks. It's just how I train myself. For today, I'm up 76 ticks right now, so 76. So yeah, let's see what happens right here, and we'll see what happens next. There was actually a short entry right here, which I didn't take. I didn't notice it until after the fact. But as prices was moving to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows, and turned around and started taking out structure back down to the downside, breaking through these levels. So it pushed down here, made a low, pulled back, made a lower low. What I noticed in looking to the left-hand side here, there was a gap right here, and prices had to fill that gap, which a lot of people may call it a, I don't know, imbalance or whatever the case is. But once price pushed down, made a new low here, pulled back, and then broke below pretty much this red line right here, you can actually went short, kind of want to break out, back down. So if you got in the trade, say around 47.25, you could have taken the trade back down here to 41.5 pretty much. I mean, to fill this small gap right here, but I didn't take that entry. I really didn't pay attention at that time, but yeah, it was definitely a short entry there. So here we go. See, we broke this area now. So let's see if price is going to pull back. What could it pull back to? I would like to see it pull back to this area here. It could pull back right here, and it's probably where the VPOC set for today. So I'm waiting to see what price is going to do right here in this area here. If it's trying to continue breaking higher, or if it's going to break lower here. So I'm waiting to see what price is going to do pretty much. I want to see it fill this area right here, this gap. Okay, they may be trying to do that right now. So let me be very patient and cautious here. Let's see. Not yet. I'm not sure if it's going to break this area to the upside or if it's going to fold and collapse and push to the downside. So I'm just waiting to see the market's next move. It can definitely get up to this area right here, and there is supply right here. Okay, if price comes back and fill this gap, all right, or it can push higher and come up here. So, I mean, primarily if you run I don't tell people to do this, but a fib, I only pull this just to see what the 50% area is. That's it, okay? And being that we're above the 50%, I always like to say I like to sell above the 50% and buy below the 50%. So this could be an area, as well as, I mean, any of these little areas. I mean, here, but we're just gonna wait and see what the market's gonna do right now, okay? So moving sideways. I think the VPOC is actually below us. Yeah, right here at 25 on the day. So I'm just going to wait to see, will the market break higher, or is it going to fold here and push to the downside? It broke lower here, broke structure right here below 13 and a quarter. So it could definitely be trying to push lower. So we'll see. We will see. Yeah. To me, it looks like we're going to run higher here. So I'm definitely going to, let me take a look here. Oh, no, maybe not yet. Okay. I may be a little early on this trade here. I think I'm a little early on this trade, so yeah, definitely early on the trade. So I'm gonna wait it out here. Actually, I think well, let me see what happens here. Wait to see if it's gonna break higher here. Come on, baby, push up. Ah, not sure if it's ready. I'm just gonna take out here. I normally just to get out because I want to see the break here. I got in too early, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out right there and look for the break to the upside. And if it breaks to the upside, then I'll be looking for probably a long. I'm just gonna wait it out to see what's gonna happen here. It's moving sideways. Okay, so the market is not wanting to break higher right now. Let's see what happens here. Looking to see what's going to take place here. It may try to push lower. I mentioned we have these demand areas down below us, so let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Will I take a long here? Not sure. I am not sure. Huh. Looking to see. Is the market going to reject this area right here or not? Not sure. Nope, not yet. It's definitely not ready. Definitely not ready. Is it going to keep pushing lower, make a new low? Let's see. It's waiting patiently. Looks like it may try to break lower, but we'll see. Yep, looks like it's trying to break lower. There it goes. Okay. So, yeah. Looks like it's trying to break lower. Not sure here. All right, not sure. The market is trying to break higher here. Okay. Trying to break higher here. I'm not sure what it's trying to accomplish. It's bouncing off a small, it's off a demand zone from a few days ago. I'll show it to you here in a second. Just trying to see what it's trying to accomplish here. This right here is the area that it's bouncing off of right here. You can see it right here at pretty much 06. Okay, so yeah, let's see what happens here. This is going to break here and then want to test up here. This, you know, this, if you pay attention what happened here, price broke structure back to the upside right here before pushing back lower. So there's supply right here as well as up here at the top. So yeah, I'm waiting to see what price is going to do right here. Yeah, looks like it may want to try to push lower here. Let's see. Not 100% sure yet. Just going for a quick scalp short here. Looks like it may want to try to continue pushing lower here to take out the lows right here. So 50. Yeah. Come on. Just taking a quick scalp short. Uh-oh. Come on. Ah. What's it trying to do here? All right, let's see. So a quick little scalp. Okay, first contract fill. All right, we got filled there. All right, nice little scalp short right there to the downside. I figured I was going to try to break this area here or retest it. So, all right, So they just grabbed liquidity down here at the bottom, right here, swiped it. See that? Wicked right here below. So they may try to continue pushing the market higher. Let's see what happens. So what they like to do, just like they came up here, they wicked out this little, took liquidity right here, this little high. Look what they did. Wicked it out and then boom, dropped the market lower. They may, not sure they're going to continue running to the downside, but they may flip it now, run it back up, and I'm not sure. You have to just kind of play it by ear and follow price action. But you can see what happened here. Okay. So let's see what they're going to do here. Let's see what they're going to do here. Are they going to continue running the market lower? Or are they going to decide to push it up a little bit? Yeah. Let's see. We break higher here. I may go for a long, aggressive, but we'll see. And this may be my last trade. If I don't get into a trade here, then I'm going to go ahead and close it out. I like to see price break this area and basically give me a pullback, but it may just continue shooting to the upside and test this area right here. So we'll see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, I think they're going to try to run this market higher. All right, I'm in this long entry trade. Hopefully we get filled here. I mean, the market's moving sideways right now. It keeps pulling back. Just looking at the overall structure, I should say structure, but the order flow, it just looks like the market is trying to push higher. You know, it swung up, made a high here, pulled back, pushed up again here. You know, it's moving sideways, but this is kind of typical structure for a move for price to want to push higher. So, and it keeps wicking out here at the bottom, grabbing this liquidity down below. So to me, kind of mimics, you know, order flow and trying to push higher and break higher. Not saying it's going to do it, you know, for extended period of time, but because you know, if you look at the structure of the market today, even on a lower time frame, we're making lower lows and lower highs. So I'm just looking to capitalize here off a quick push to the upside. Hopefully we get the momentum of the fall through here to at least come back up and test, you know, back to these areas of supply, I should say, like definitely right here and maybe up here. Okay, so just gotta wait it out and play it by ear here, and hopefully we get the break to the upside. Okay, so starting to push our edge a little higher here. So let's see if we get filled here on this trade here. And this is my last trade of the day. I know this video is like 4. Okay, there we go. Okay, first contract filled. There we go. That's what I was looking for. All right, let's see if we can push it a little higher here. I'll drop this last contract down just a little bit. See if we can get filled here. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a stop here, just to kind of lock in my profit a little bit. Hopefully it goes ahead and pushes up. It could swing back here and test this area. Yeah, it's gonna want to test down here. It's pulling back, may stop me out. If so, that's fine. Okay, we got stopped out. It's fine. Because I was getting a step away from the machine, so it's okay. But I think it's probably going to run up possibly and try to. Being now we got a break right here. Okay. Looks like price maybe we'll try to run up here. So let's see. Maybe we can get a second entry here. So let's see. Let's see. So I think we pretty much got a on that first contract, like 4 points on the first contract. So we'll see. We get a break above here. I'm going long. See if we get a break here. Let's see if we get a break to the upside. He can pull back a little deeper here. Kind of in this low volume area here. It could pull back to here somewhere maybe. But if we get the break above here, I'll probably go long. We are at lunchtime, pretty much Eastern time, and things kind of slow down. So nothing kicks off in the next 2 or 3 minutes here. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Price going to break above here. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure yet. Let's see. All right, I am long. I'm just gonna take this quick little entry right there. All right. Try to get filled here. Come on. Very sluggish, moving back and forth right now. But I'm looking for price to test this, come into the zone here where this box is at least tap into that area. I think that'll give me like 2.5 points or something like that on those 2 contracts, and we'll get out, call it a day, be done. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Nice, nice. All right, I'm done, guys. All right, testing that zone there, and that is it for me today. So this is our Discord community. I just posted that screenshot of that trade there on our Discord community right here. As well as you can see, there are tons of other fellow traders that post their entries as well or share their trade entries. So there's basically 2 channels on the Discord, guys. There's the trading floor and then the general chat channel. The trading floor is if you want to share your trade entries and come over, take a screenshot, post your entries from if you took a trade from a certain level or zone or whatever the case may be, feel free to do so. As well as we have the general chat channel where traders, future traders, now this is a futures trading channel, where you can basically come over and ask questions, discuss anything pertaining to the future markets as a whole, and yeah, come over to the general chat and chat away. But it has to be a discussion about the future markets only, because that's what the channel is geared around. But yeah, find the link down in the description portion of the video, and you can invite yourself in free of charge. We have about over 900 members now, and we're growing by the day. Appreciate everyone who's tuned in and watched today's video. Please make sure to click on the subscribe button today if you want to watch more live trading videos like this, and as well as gather or collect just good information about the future markets. And that's what this channel here is designed and geared for, is to help fellow traders out. So I look forward to everyone out there who has not joined or subscribed yet to go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button, and make sure to turn all your post notifications on so you never miss one of the uploads here on the channel. Talk to you guys later. Take care and have a safe trading day if you are actually trading.